Avoid ginger if you have these health conditions. Ginger is the root cure for a slew of diseases. Ginger can help with stomach issues, colds, and persistent coughs. However, ginger has drawbacks, and its rewards aren't for everyone. For patients with specific diseases, this natural type of medicine can be a health threat. If you have any of the following conditions, you should stop taking ginger immediately. 1. People who are underweight. Ginger is regarded as the root of all weight loss remedies. It suppresses your appetite and modulates the digestive enzymes in your stomach, resulting in weight reduction. People who are already malnourished and have a low BMI might suffer from a lack of appetite, hair loss, and vitamin shortages. If you need to gain weight, cut ginger out of your diet. 2. People who suffer from blood diseases. Whereas ginger is advised for improving blood circulation, persons with hemophilia may have significant bleeding as a result of this. It might potentially counteract the effects of some life-saving drugs. 3. Third trimester pregnancy. Although ginger can aid pregnant women with morning sickness and weakness in the early weeks of their pregnancy, it is absolutely prohibited throughout the third trimester. Taking ginger in the third trimester of pregnancy might cause preterm labor and contractions. 4. Those who are taking specific medications. Ginger is a no-no for persons on diabetes and high blood pressure medications. When beta blockers, anticoagulants, and insulin are mixed with ginger, they can be extremely dangerous. Ginger thins the blood and reduces blood pressure, both of which might cause problems when taking these drugs. 5. If you are prone to gallstones. If somebody who is prone to gallstones uses ginger, their condition may worsen. If consumed in big enough doses, ginger may actually stimulate bile output. This might lead to a rise in gallstone obstructions, which can cause life-threatening disease and result in an emergency scenario. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.